11:45 a.m. At 12:21 a.m., radar indicated that heavy rain was starting to taper off across the warned area. However, runoff from excessive rainfall will continue overnight. Therefore, the flash flood warning has been extended. Some locations that will experience flooding include Middletown, Mason, Lebanon, Springboro, Monroe, Loveland, Franklin, Carlisle, Waynesville, Morrow, Kings Island, Hunter, High Point, South Lebanon, Mainville, Harveysburg, Corwin, Butlerville, Pleasant Plain, and Murdoch. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National